Good afternoon, Speckle Spartans. I'm here today to teach you how to use the box method to write equivalent expressions by using the distributive property. So before we begin, we need to know a few things, right? How do we write an equivalent expression by using the distributive property? Well, we need to understand what is the distributive property. The distributive property states that you multiply the outside term by each inside term in the parentheses by utilizing or using the box method. Now, we may have heard that the box method is called the array model. So if you think about an array model, technically what it really is, right, is you're creating, if you look here in black, a big rectangular box, and then you're dividing it into sections, and horizontally we have numbers, and vertically we have numbers. Well, we're going to be using the same thing. So in order to create an equivalent expression by using the box method, there are 4 steps that we need to use. So let's look at the example here that I have provided for you. The first example states this: find an equivalent expression by using the distributive property for 3 parentheses 2m plus 5. First step is what you always got to do is you got to draw a box. So we're going to make a big box, a big rectangular box. Now, after I have step 1 where I create the box, I'm now going to label the horizontal and vertical lines. And I'm going to get that information based on what's in my expression. So when I count my expression, I see that there's the number 3, which is 1, and then inside I have 2 terms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a horizontal line like so. I'm going to put the number 3 on top, because that's the outside number. And then underneath here vertically, I'm going to write 2m, which is the first term. And then I'm going to write plus 5. So now the first step I have to do is multiply. So I'm going to say, what is 3 times 2? Well, 3 times 2 is 6m. I'm then, because I'm multiplying 3 times 2, I then am going to multiply 3 times 5. So 3, which is on the outside, and horizontally I have 5. So 3 times 5 is plus 15. So now my final expression is actually going to be written as 6m plus 15, which is equivalent to 3 times 2m plus 5. So my answer is going to be actually 6m plus 15. 6m plus 15. And there you have it. Hope that helps you guys.